When disasters strike, emergency support for engineering projects is crucial. The emergency folding bed from YRF Co Limited stands as a solid backup for various urgent situations. We specialize in producing emergency rescue equipment and supporting supplies. This folding bed is sturdy and durable, capable of withstanding harsh environments. With a quick deploy design, it can swiftly provide a comfortable resting space for workers in critical moments. It has a wide range of applications, covering emergency rescue, military operations, medical assistance, UN donations, government reserves, Red Cross activities, prison management, and dormitories. It plays an irreplaceable role in responding to natural disasters and emergency needs in special locations. As a professional manufacturing factory, we offer one-stop supporting services for emergency products and are committed to supplying high-quality equipment for global engineering projects. Choose YRF emergency folding beds to safeguard the safety of your engineering projects.